Air ventilation explained by Northgate Construction. Proper ventilation in your home is too often overlooked. A properly installed attic ventilation system can protect your home from heat and moisture damage that could result in more costly repairs later on. So, what exactly is attic ventilation? Your attic ventilation system is a finely tuned balance of air in and air out. This balance is crucial to protecting the integrity of your home on the inside. Much in the same way this balance is important to people or vehicles. Air is let in through a soffit vent, allowing air to enter the attic area. The air flows through the attic and leaves via exhaust vents at the top of your roof. What does attic ventilation do? Proper attic ventilation reduces temperature and moisture in your attic. In the summer, this can lead to increases in your energy bill to cool the home. Further, the buildup of heat and moisture in your attic can lead to premature wear and tear of the roofing components, and in most cases void your roof warranty. This will also affect the roof service life and can cause damage to the structural support system in your home. In the winter months, a warm attic increases the risk of ice dam formation. Ice dams form when warm air in the roof causes the snow and ice on your roof to melt. The water from the melted snow and ice runs down the roof, refreezes, backs up, and ultimately causes leaks. How does your attic get moisture in it? And why should you care? On average, 2 to 3 gallons of moisture can be produced just from things like cooking, showering, and even breathing. The moisture then rises into the attic area of your home. Once the moisture reaches the cooler internal surfaces of your roof deck, condensation is formed. Condensation mixed with a dark area like your roof is the perfect breeding ground for mold and mildew to form. This can also lead to larger concerns such as wood rot. A proper attic ventilation system installed by professionals like Northgate Construction will help get this damaging moisture removed from your home. Remember, a roof is more than just a bunch of shingles on the top of your home. Having an effective ventilation system regulates temperatures in your attic, prevents ice dam formation, and protects the structural integrity of your home. For more questions about attic ventilation systems, or to get a free inspection of your roof and attic ventilation system, along with a free estimate, give us a call or visit our contact page online.